Hello student, we had finished lesson number 1. You have to complete lesson number 1 exercise of textbook in your Fairbook as well as assignment which I had provided to you, that also you have to complete in a Fairbook. I will check it as the school reopen. So today we start with new lesson number 2, linear equation in one variable. So before we talk about the topic, you have to understand these terms. That is, what is linear, what is equation, and what are variable. Simple, if I write 2x plus 3, as you know, that is algebraic expression where x is considered to be variable because we don't know the value of x, or we call it it's changing, while 2 and 3 have the fixed value, so they are considered to be constant. 2x square plus 5x minus 7. Here we don't know the value of x square. We don't know the value of x. So these are variables. While 2, 5 and minus 7 have the fixed values. 3xy minus 5x square minus 7xy square plus 3. Here x and y are variables because we don't know their values, and 3 minus 5 minus 7 and plus 3 are fixed values. Now all these forms, which are the combination of the known and unknown values, are called algebraic expression. That combination of the different terms are called algebraic expression. Now you can understand that any algebraic expression consists of number of terms. What are terms? Terms are product of known and unknown values. Suppose if I write 2xy, then 2 is known value and x and y are the variable. So product of known and unknown form a term, and all these terms associate each other by addition or subtraction. It forms algebraic expression. So here 2x is one term, 3 is another term. So it has two terms which are associated by addition. So that is algebraic expression. 2x square, 5x and 7 are associated with plus and minus. So 2x square plus 5x minus 7 is algebraic expression. 3xy minus 5x square minus 7xy plus 3. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms which are associated with minus and plus. So that is considered to be algebraic expression. If you see the exponent of the variable in a different example given in the algebraic expression, here the degree or the exponent of the variable, that is 1. Here the exponent of the variable, maximum exponent of the variable is 2. Obvious, the different term have different variable here. Here x square has degree 2 or exponent is 2. For 5x the degree is 1. But we consider the maximum degree of the term as the degree of the algebraic expression or the variable. So here maximum degree is 2. Here two variables are given, x, y, x, y. So under that condition you have to add the exponent of each variable. For 3xy, here the exponent of x is 1 and exponent of y is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here degree of the minus 5x square term is 2. Here 2 plus 1, 3. So the maximum degree of the algebraic expression is 3. So according to the degree of the algebraic expression, it had given the different types. I write one algebraic expression here. P of x is equal to 3x plus 7. So here degree of the first term, that is 1. Or the exponent of x is 1, exponent of the variable is 1, and that is the maximum exponent among all the term 3x and 7. Among the 3x and 7, the maximum exponent of the term of the variable is 1. See one more example. 5 by 2x minus 13. So that is also one of the algebraic expression. 5 by 2x minus 13. It has two terms. And the variable x consists degree 1. P of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So here the maximum degree of the term is 1. So all these algebraic expressions are categorized as a linear. So the degree of the algebraic expression is 1, then it is called a linear. So here 3x plus 7, 5 by 2x minus 13, 3x minus 2 are linear algebraic expression. You also call it polynomial, but there is little difference among polynomial and algebraic expression. But about that we will learn in detail in a next session or in any other time. At present our work is restricted to the linear equation. So again we come to the topic when the degree of the polynomial or algebraic expression is 1, then it is called a linear. Now the question is arise that what is the difference between algebraic expression and when it is equation and how it is converted into the equation. So here suppose if we take P of x is equal to 3x minus 2, by taking the different value of x you get the different value of P of x. Suppose if you take x is equal to 1 and plug in the value in 3x minus 2, then what do you get? 3 into 1 minus 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So if you take the value of x 1, then the value of p of x 1. Suppose if you take x is equal to minus 1, then what do you get? Here I take 1. Now if you take x is equal to minus 1, then what do you get? 3 into minus 1 into minus 2, that is 3 ones are 3, but minus sign, minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So by taking the value of x is equal to minus 1, we get the value of p of x minus 5. So when you take minus 1, plug in minus 1 in 8, you get minus 5. So for taking the different value of the variables, you get the different value of p of x. So that is the formation of polynomial. So when the value of variable changes, along with value of polynomial also changes. So that is the formation called the polynomial. Now, how the polynomial is different from the linear equation? We more giving focus to linear equation and linear polynomial. How linear polynomial or linear algebraic expression is differ from the linear polynomial, from the linear equation that we are going to learn. Again I say, how linear polynomial or algebraic expression is differ from the linear equation that we are going to learn now. Let us see. Suppose if I write 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. So here you can see given formation has two different sides. 3x minus 2, that is left hand side, and 7, that is right hand side. But there is a specificity here. Here for the particular value of x, we don't know the value of variable, but for the particular value of x only, you get the value of 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. Means if you put some specific value of x and simplify it, you get 7. Then such kind of relation is called equation. So here particular value of polynomial is fixed, which is equal to 7. Then that polynomial is turned up to the equation. So here the value of x is fixed, and if you plug in that value into the polynomial, you will get 7. So that is equation. In polynomial, you can take different value of the variable, and for that you get the different value of polynomial. But when I fix that value, and for that fixed value of variable, you get some particular fixed value, fixed non-value, or then such kind of relation is called equation. Now When I find out that value of variable for which 3x minus 2 equal to 7, then that particular value of x is called the solution of the equation. For example, if I put value of x as a 3, suppose if I take value of x as a 3, so 3 into 3 minus 2, that is 3 3s are 9, minus 2 is equal to 7. So for x is equal to 3, if you plug in the value x is equal to 3 in a given equation, you will get right hand side, that is 7. So here x is equal to 3 is considered solution of the equation. Now definitely the question arises in your mind, how could you decide that the value of x is 3? How do we find out the value of x? And in particular this lesson, we have to find out the value of x for the different form of linear equation, and that only we are going to learn in this chapter. Understand?